Welcome back. Another fish cleaning video. Fastest way in the world to clean scup or porgies. I'm from Connecticut, so I call them porgies. I don't call them scup. I know down south everybody calls them scup. I'm pretty sure. Where I'm from, they're porgies. Nice tasty little fish. I'm going to show you a real quick way to clean them. There's actually a few ways to clean them. One makes a mess, and the one I do doesn't. No bones, no skin, no nothing. Let's get to it. Alright, let's clean us a porgy. Back by the fin. Right here. Right down. Right on an angle. Right to his top. Right down his back. Poke it out his belly. It's going to ride down his spine. Come right out. There's not a lot of meat on these. I know some people cook them whole. I choose not to. We'll have two little fillets. Same thing on the side. Right down there to his backbone. Turn your knife in. Not as a clever way as the bullhead, but basically just filleting it. But there's a little trick so you don't get any bones. Because when you take him off, he's going to have his rib cage there. Crab bait. Alright, kind of probably I just thought about this as I was doing it. I didn't quite explain how you get the bones out so that it's boneless. So when you're to this point where you got the skin, you can feel the bones in the rib cage. I'll give you a little better demonstration. He's going to take them off the skin like you normally would on anything else you're filleting. And then right here, if you feel up higher, past his riblets, right here you'll feel like little bones. Take your knife, you're going to start up high, you're going to cut this little V-notch out, just like that. Throw that away, use it for crab bait. And now there's not a single bone in this little fillet. Boom. Now there's not a single bone in this fillet at all. So now your kids can eat it, grandma can eat it, everybody can eat it. Bone free, baby. You basically just make like a V notch. Cut that out. Now you got your meat for your porgy tacos, scup tacos, fry it up. I don't know how we're cooking it tonight, but I got a few to do. Hope you like that. Super easy. Less messy than scaling the things all over the place and cooking them whole. I don't think you get that much more meat out of it if you do it that way. But it's the way I like to do it. Especially since I got little kids. We don't want them with mouthfuls of bones and things like that. And everybody seems to enjoy it. Boom. That's it. Rinse and cook. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.